piece of aluminum siding. I don't know where it came from, but I'll take it. So we're gonna cruise around a little bit here, just a little bit, just to see if there's anything in the streets. Recycle day will be a Thursday, so I'm thinking, you know, people throw stuff out because they have bulk pickup once in a while. So maybe I might be able to find something. People throw stuff out early, so I say I'm gonna buzz around a little bit in this area and another area. If not, I'll head back to my yard. Okay, stay tuned. Yeah, so it's just, well, they leave it out for garbage, trash, right, for scrap metal. This one's all junker anyways. Go to recycle center. Okay, there's junk here. I can see a bathtub there, but I'm just going to knock on the door. If it was more further out, I would feel better, but we'll ask. Hold on. Vacuum. Let's see that cord, so I'll take it. So both the bathtub, I don't know, the guy wasn't there, but then he asked someone, he said they're going to keep it, so I don't know, so. People in Surrey think everything's worth money, like big money. So that's what I figured I'd ask, because some people are really goofy in Surrey. Not like Vancouver, you know, the Thorny Alley, they don't care. There's a tree here, 7 foot tall. It's actually pretty heavy. It's a fan straight ahead. My greatest fan is right there. It's got a cord. I had a feeling about the bathtub, like that's why I asked, because one time I asked for a stove in someone's yard. It was greasy, probably full of cockroaches, and got like really bad. Garbage for sure. She goes, "How much are you gonna pay me for it?" I says, "Sorry, I don't buy them. You're lucky I would take it away for free." But people, like I say, out here in Surrey, they're different breed. But anyways, most people, like I say, don't really care. But that's why, you know, if it was like those fans and stuff by trees and stuff on the curb, then I have no problem. But when it's kind of on their yard, it's best to ask. Okay, here's my number 2. It's a steel one. There's my number 2. That's a heavy one too. But they are actually pretty heavy. I haven't had a heavy one for a long time, but these two are actually really heavy. Like I said, number 2. Everything comes in 2s. I asked before for this trim here in this yard. It's still sitting like garbage in the front yard. It's just pieces of aluminum, nothing special. And they said no, we're keeping it. That's like 5 months ago. Ridiculous, huh? Okay, number 3. Number 3, stainless steel face. Yeah, stainless steel. You know what? I might have to sell these dirty because see how they got a plate here? It means I would have to cut it out to clean it. And then I got to take the rubber off and all that, and brackets. And sell it the way it is. I'm sure might get a little more money, but there'd be a lot more waste. Could be brass. So this thing is pot metal actually. Let me cut this wire off. It is brass, but not a lot of brass, just a very little brass, like a half a socket. It's not worth it. This is really, really heavy. Should be pot metal. That's my grinder. Could be cast to be. Wow, it's brass. Unbelievable. Why would he paint brass? Huh. Hard to believe. Huh. I cannot believe it. It's brass. It's so heavy. I guess that's why the tip-off is the weight. I thought it was pot metal. You'll see the weight. What made that light? If you watched the video, it was old. Which one's on? May have been an old light fixture. The lens broke on me, but wow, it's almost 7 pounds. 6.8 pounds. Wow. It's like $20, this piece here. Unbelievable. I saw the brazing here. See the brazing? Wow, I never thought that'd be brass. Well, that's a bonus. That's like $20. See, that you don't really know. Like, you start picking all these little things up, they start adding up big time. So you got bottles, you got scrap metal. Vice grips here. This is pot metal for sure. You can see it's crumbling. I just want to clean it up. We kind of be on top of it. Stuff. I cleaned all my aluminum there, all that small stuff, the cans and all that, took labels off, all that stuff. Let's push steel. Okay, so this is probably brass then. That came off it. Bet you it's brass. Yeah, brass. So see how pot metal? It's like really. That's how you can tell. See that? It's pot metal. Zinc. This is zinc for sure. Heavy, a couple pounds. Zinc. So you have to really look. Well, that's a good surprise. $20. I like that. Another one right there. Okay. Kind of want the mortar in this part here. Even if I just stick it in dirty brass, whatever. It's just. Huh. Let's get the mortar bucket going. So I'm not sure why this one doesn't come out. Should you just bang it a couple times, it should pop right out. Fight with me right to the end. So it's brass, right? So a dirty brass if you want. Leave those for now. Okay, what else was I gonna do? So that's all aluminum I have here. Yeah, let's get in there. So I got a battery. This is cast. And then I got all these little things here. I'll take the brass off it. A little bit of brass here. This is like brand new. The problem is when it's sitting And the sun and stuff compromises everything. They're stainless steel. Hold on to those for now. They look definitely brand new. I need these easy. So I have to go Thursday and take this stuff back. Because Friday it's closed. I think it's Good Friday or something. Easter coming up, right? So we cast. So the cast is building up already. That heavy thing there too is probably, I don't know, 10 pounds even, who knows. Pretty heavy. It's like a Torx, but sometimes I get in there with the screwdriver, but that one's clean. See, it's like Torx, it's like a flat, it's multiple. Okay, I guess we're going to do some hacking, I guess. This is simple, just one whack. One whack. It's a double handle. Shouldn't have said one whack, now I gotta do 10 whacks. Well, a cast was 90 cents and the old sheet was 94, so similar. Bigger and bigger now. The rivet's getting bigger. Yeah, my best friend, stainless. Okay, so he's all ready to go. Okay, so it's getting better. Oh, okay. Cast. Hold for a second. The gadget here, I'm not even sure what it is. So I'm going to strip it. Okay, before I go too far, is that stainless? Yeah. I thought it was medical equipment, I thought, but could be wrong. It's the ozone, vapor and ozone, so it is some sort of medical. Heavy steel. Screws here. I thought, I want the cast. What my goal was, right? No. Hey, how you doing? Does it work? Okay, good. That ramp I found for the dog. It's having problems jumping. Okay. I think it's like an air purifier, some sort of like for medical. transformer. That's a low-grade wire. The screw's not coming out. Stainless for the hoard. So it creates vapor, air, like vapor air, and ozone. You can ozonate it. So the ozone on. Ozonated. Whatever. Okay. Take this out. So my van will be finished this week, the guy said. Can you tell me what he's doing or what, how much or nothing, so see what happens. Just waiting for parts or something. Okay, well, got some cast out of that. Got a transformer somewhere. Right there. Cast transformer. So like I say, I was waiting for that one there to strip. Been a while. This is stainless too. Okay, here's the ozone bulb. It creates the ozone. It's a brass reservoir tube. That's your bulb. It's a germicidal bulb. Makes your ozone, this bulb here. And here's some kind of tank. Screw. A piece of brass over it, look at that. Kind of working on these here now. Got this one here. Okay. think I want to do some brass on Thursday. I've been enough kicking around. And more valves here somewhere. Phone's ringing. Hold on.